Here we are on Saganaga Lake and at an undisclosed location, and Mr. Ken Curry here has a nice trout. What did that weigh out as, would you say?
About 3 pounds.
Very nice.
About what? 13, yeah.
It's a great specimen there. All right, beautiful day here on Sag. Good job. Welcome back to Saganaga Lake. We're having some snow. It just started snowing. It's the 1st of February, Wednesday. It's the Canadian opener, 2012. And we thought we'd take a depth measurement. I don't know if this ice caliper will do it, but we'll give it a try here. There's several fish houses already deployed on the lake today. I got some ice. There we are. I don't think this is going to cut it. Let's see. Right there. I got about 16 inches. So that's pretty good out here. Last week we had about 3 days and nights of minus 20 Fahrenheit, and then it's warmed up a little bit. So the slush was a little bad during the warmer time. Than the cold days locked it all up again. There really isn't any slush unless you start drilling a lot of holes, and then you'll start walking in it. But I guess there are some spots here and there that you got to find for slush, but otherwise it's really good going on the lake. So that's it for today for the opener. It's February 1st, 2012, and thanks for tuning in.